Hi y'all. Today we're making these yummy dumplings and they've got these yummy apples in them. I don't know if you've ever had them before, but I can't wait to show you how to make these. So stay tuned. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's get started. What I have for you guys today is a can of Crescent Rolls, which is 8 rolls, and some sliced apple, which I've sliced about 8 or 9 slices here. And I only had to do 1 apple. So if you're making a small dessert, it'll only take 1 of each, 1 apple, 1 can of Crescent Rolls. But first, what I'm going to do before we start on this is we're going to make the sauce that goes in here. Okay, so our sauce calls for a 1/2 cup of butter, so 1 stick of butter, and I'm going to put this in my saucepan over here and let that start melting really well. And then we're going to need a 1/2 cup of sugar, and I'm going to put that in here like this, and a 1/2 cup of water. Okay, and then I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of orange juice to all of this. And then we're going to let this all mix together real nicely and come to a boil. So while this is cooking over here, we're going to get our crescent rolls. And I hope everybody's having a great day. And I do love hearing all your comments. You have absolutely been wonderful. And so just keep it up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I'd love for you to like and share all that business. You guys have been doing a wonderful job, and I'm so thankful to have you. Okay, so we're going to do our crescent rolls like this. Sometimes they're stubborn, aren't they? So we're going to separate them in little segments. And you'll want to keep an eye over here on your stuff that's about to boil. But we're going to take 1 each. And I have a 7 by 11 pan. It calls for a 9 by 9. I don't have one. So I'm just using what I have. Then I'm going to take a slice of apple. And we are just going to roll the apple just like this. Just like you would do the crescent rolls if you were going to bake them for dinner. So we're going to do this, and I hear that boiling over here. So I'm going to give it a little stir real quick, like this, and let the butter start melting, like that. And then I'm going to finish these up, and this should be boiling, and then I'm going to come back and show you what we do with all the rest of it. You don't want to miss it. Okay, so I've just about got my apples inside my dough, and so I've placed them in my pan like this, and my sauce has already started boiling. So what I'm going to do next, give this a little stir, and you want it syrupy to make it, pretty thick over your dumplings here. And then, while that's kind of doing its thing, I'm going to take a little bit of cinnamon, and I'm just going to take some of that, and I'm going to sprinkle over my dumplings, just like this. And if you guys have made this, let me know, because this is so good. I don't know. I think the first time I had this was at a girlfriend's house at Bunko one time, and I came home and I said, okay, I'm making that for David. Okay, so our sauce is already boiled, and I have my dumplings smothered in cinnamon here. I got a little happy with it. That's all right, isn't it yummy? Okay, so we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla to our sauce once we turn the burner off of it boiling over here. And I'm going to show you this as soon as I get that put in there like that. And then I have my oven preheating at 350 degrees. And so what we're going to do is take this yummy sauce here that I've made. I don't know if you can see it or not. Okay, we take this yummy sauce and we're going to pour this over our dumplings just like this. And I hope you have some ice cream handy after this business because you're going to want these with ice cream. Just saying. So anyway, what we're going to do is bake these for about 20 minutes in the oven, just like this. And oh my gosh, you're going to have a fabulous, quick, easy dessert for anybody, for you, for your friends, for a church function, anything. So when this is done, after I pop it in the oven, I'll be back to show you the yummy goodness. Okay, you guys, after 20 minutes, these are out of the oven. And look how yummy. I couldn't help myself. I've already got one over here in the plate because, you know me, I'm going to taste it. But anyway, I hope you guys go share the love. And please don't forget to tell somebody you love them. I'll see you soon. Bye.